Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for renter's insurance with Lemonade detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Lemonade website at www.lemonade.com. On the homepage, look for the option that says Get a Quote and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your address. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Once you've entered your address, click Next to proceed. Next, Lemonade will ask about the type of insurance you need. Select Renter's Insurance from the list of options. You will then need to provide information about your personal belongings. This includes a rough estimate of the total value of your possessions. Take your time to evaluate and enter an accurate amount. After entering your belongings value, click Next again. Lemonade will ask about additional coverage options. Review the suggested add-ons like liability coverage or personal injury protection. Choose any add-ons you feel are necessary. Once you have made your selections, click on Next. You will be asked about your rental situation. Provide details such as whether you live in an apartment, condo, or house. After entering your rental details, click Next to continue. Now, Lemonade will show you a quote based on your information. Review the quote carefully to understand the monthly premium. If you're satisfied with the quote, click on Get Protected. At this stage, you will need to create an account with Lemonade. Enter your email address and create a password. Once you finish, click on Continue. Next, you will be asked to fill out your personal information. Provide your full name, phone number, and date of birth. Review and confirm all details before moving to the next step. Lemonade may ask you to verify your identity through a quick process. Follow the prompts to complete this verification. Now, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details to set up billing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.